guys, I'm from Math Academia and today we will be reviewing a question on mensuration. The question 6 states that the diagram shows a sector OAB of a circle cut from a piece of cardboard. The radius of the sector is 24 centimeters and the angle OAB is 120 degrees. The HOA and OB are joined together to make a hollow cone. Find the base radius. So what exactly are they looking for in part A? I have a piece of cutout over here, and what they're saying is now we have a sector. If we were to join the sides of OA and OB, we would form a cone with the base as a circle. And the base radius that they're asking for would be the radius of this circle in the base. All right. So next, let's try and find out what is the base radius. In order to know the base radius, we need to know the length of the curve AB. All right. So let's complete the circle of this sector AOB. The circumference of this circle is given by 2 pi r, where the radius is 24, right? So we have the circumference of the circle as 48 pi. And since the sector OAB has a degree of 120, this means that the sector OAB is actually 1/3 of the circle, and the curve AB would be 1/3 of the circumference of the entire circle. So therefore, AB would have the length of 1/3 times 48 pi, which is 16 pi. Okay? Now that we know AB is 16 pi, if we were to look back at our cutout again, so this is the length of AB. And when I convert this into a cone, AB then becomes the circumference of our base, right? So with that, if 16 pi is the circumference, we have 2 pi r equals to 16 pi. Therefore, r equals to 8. Hence, I would get the answer for my part A, where base radius is 8 centimeters. Next, they're asking for the height of our cone. So if I were to, first let me erase the big circle that I have dotted out previously. Right, if I were to sketch a diagram of a cone, I would have something like that, where the slant height is 24 centimeters and the radius is 8 centimeters. And we have the height over here, right? If you realize the base radius, the slant height, and the vertical height of the cone makes up a right angle triangle. So therefore, the height of the cone can be given by 24 squared equals to 8 squared plus h squared. Therefore, h equals to the square root of 24 squared minus 8 squared, which simplifies into square root 512. Therefore, the height of my cone would be square root 512 centimeters. And lastly, they're asking for the volume of the cone. Volume of cone is given by 1/3 pi r square h. So I just substitute all of the values that I found previously into the equation. I'll get 1/3 pi times 8 squared times square root 512, which would give me 1516.5 cm cubed, which is my final answer for part C, 1516.5 cm cubed. All right, I hope you understand my explanation and I'll see you next time. Bye.